So I just got in these Olsa Tools magnetic socket organizer trays. I gotta say, they're actually really nice. So my initial hesitation with these was that I thought they were gonna be like cheap plastic things that the sockets would constantly fall out of. Well, no, that's not the case at all. They're actually a really nice high quality grade of plastic. They're super dense feeling and they've got a super strong magnet on the back. Whether you've got the smaller 1/4 inch drive holder or the much bigger 3/8 inch drive holder, they both seem to stick to pretty much whatever I put them on. Here's a little wiggle test for you. It's pretty strong, but I mean, if you really want to get them off, you could do it. You just have to really try. And to see how it looks in the tool chest, I went ahead and replaced my socket holders from Harbor Freight with these ones. I definitely love having the different color schemes, and then also just being able to take them on the go is amazing. And here you can see the sockets are actually just held in by the same magnet that's used to attach it to a metal surface. They're pretty snug. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these to anybody who wants to organize their tool chest. It's pretty much a no-brainer. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.